there's this one guy, really good by heart, really good looking, very handsome, very hot. ऐसा कितना मिलता है? You must give chance. This is a myth that a pilot can. I'm very lazy ass, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while that I have been not posting any not any photos. It's like all about Instagram right now. So I know it's been a while. I'm not posting anything because, bro, I'm telling you, DGCA ka work is so much, and to do everything, I was dealing with a lot of things recently and going through heartbreaks and all. So common in my life, right? So here I am with Kurta to rock this illiterate video. So today I posted one story on my Instagram. If you guys are not following my Instagram, you missed it. You missed your chance. So I posted one story on my Instagram, asking you guys all the questions which you wanna ask me, so that I can do a video on it. So I got a lot of questions though, and we are going to we are going to answer each and every one of it. And there are many more questions which I think should be answered, so that I don't have to reply to each and every DM, because I'm a very lazy ass, guys. I'm so sorry, but I'm really very lazy when it comes to all of this. That's why I need 10k of family, so that I can broadcast it. Guys, make 10k of family, yaar. It's been a while. Let's make 10k at my Instagram now, please. My vision board says that I'll be 100k by the end of this year. We have to do it, okay? I'm gonna post it regularly, every week, 2 videos, all about pilot related, and my story times also, guys. Yes? So let's start from Archie. She asked me, does height matter? Bro, height doesn't matter that much, to be precise. If you should not be like itna small or something. A minimum height 5 feet 4'11" is good, because you can use cushions while you are flying. What is cushion? I'll post a photo of what are cushions, and I have one video also of me carrying those cushions. So you put one beneath your bums, and one, like if you're flying, like I used to take 2 cushions, one beneath my bum and one behind my back, so that I get some height and as well as push, so that I can push the rudders and I can use the ailerons and I can see everything outside. So height doesn't matter in Airbus or Boeing mein, so you can adjust it. So height doesn't matter, guys. But itna bhi nahi ki you are 3 feet and that shit is not available. Samiksha Kochar. Okay, she asked me, is DGC exams easy, and which ground class is best? So DGC exams are not that hard, not that difficult, not that easy as well. If you study well, it's like MCQs, भाई. कभी कभी जो तुक्का भी सही निकल जाता है, किसको क्या पता. So yeah, and for best ground school, guys, of course I am gonna I will say about the ground school which I am collaborated with. There are many ground schools which are good. I do not know, but right now I'm collaborated already with HAPS Aviation, which is under Aero Guide and Aero Talk. You guys can follow them on Instagram and ask them about their quotations and all. They are doing online as well as offline classes, so which is very good for you guys. Sponsor your flight trainings. They can be your they are giving scholarships. They are giving scholarship for grounds. If you have, of course, they all have terms and conditions, guys. But if you guys want to know more details about it, I'll post the guys Insta ID, the Aero Guide and Aero Talk. You can directly contact him and he can guide you better. And we are doing a webinar as well. So if you guys wanna stay up to date, follow me on Instagram. You'll get everything up to date. Okay, guys? So I think I answered my question really well and did my little publicity as well. Guys, do follow them. They're really good. And I've been featuring in them videos as well if you want to see me more. So Kenzie 3422024 asked me, commercial pilot through Air Force due to financial problems right after 12. Bro, if you can do it, I'll be very happy, because I also tried commercial pilot through Air Force, but I do not know. I don't have that guts to go into Air Force, and I feel I'm not built for Air Force because I'm very scared. So if you can do it, really good. Go for it. Harsh Gaur asked me, best flying school in India. Bro, I do not know any. Like, there are some good flying schools. I have been, I do not know, but I have HAPS Aviation has, like, the ground school I'm connected with. They have some collaborations as well, so you can ask them as well. And moreover, there is Redbird. I think there's Aryaman or something, Avian. I do not know how to pronounce it, but that is also doing good. So you can check it out there. Sheikh Mariam 14Y asked, exam in just 2 days, any tips for meteorology? Bro, ratta maar lo sab kuch. Everything has to be mugged up and everything has to be rattafied because meteorology is all about that. But yeah, you should know. Like right now, if I see clouds and all, I can say it's cumulus or it's altocumulus or it's nimbostratus or it's towering cumulus. So guys, ये सब flying करके तुमसे मजा आ जाएगा. हर्षित चौधरी is my friend. He asked me, पैसा कितना मिलता है? जब मुझे व्यूज और लाइक्स दोगे तब मुझे पैसा मिलेगा, उसके पहले मुझे पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. हर्षित, I hope you got my question. Bing Psycho, what are the requirements if we want to apply for US Airlines and want to be in US only? So I think we already had a discussion over this, but yeah, I'll answer this question really quick. Now the main thing is that you have to be there. You have to build 1500 hours there, and then you can apply there, and you know they'll be your sponsors. The airline will be your sponsors, I believe. I do not know, don't quote me on this, because कहीं से मैंने सुना था you need the green card to work there. I do not know, don't quote me on this. Do a research first. Ria, training in abroad or India? I think we should make one video of training in abroad and India, so that I'll be in two uniforms. Like I'll be in uniforms, I'll wear my proper uniform and explain you everything in detail, that what is good, training in USA or training in abroad or training in India. Prasiddhi 11 asked me one question. Difference between IGI and coaching of DGC exam. Is IGI a college for aviation kids? I have never heard of IGIA. What is it? I think I'm not into aviation that much. Is that so? Am I not good pilot? No, I do not think so, because I've never heard about it. So yeah, it's okay. Astral Piera, flying school review and overall honest experience also includes the funds you spend. My flight school review was good, not that bad, not that excellent, but it was good, decent only. I completed my stuff, they were good, they were helpful, and I did it everything in around 80 lakhs. Ayushi Malhotra, is there any advantage to the candidates with CPL along with BSc Aviation, the normal? I think आपका BSc Aviation में से एक year कम हो जाता है. I do not know much about it. Yeah, don't quote me all on this. Debanshi Kumar, how long did it take you to complete both of your medicals? Bro, so if you don't know, you can watch my class 2 and class 1 series. So I have a detailed video on that, कि how much time it took. But normally I think my assessment came in 1 month, because तब पहले जल्दी आ जाता था. And then I went to Air Force, तो वहाँ पे 4-5 दिन लग गए. So in 2 months, 3 months, I completed all my medicals. Dash Door, it's like DoorDash in California we used to use. Are you done with CPL? Yes, bro, I'm done with my CPL. Dhruvi, are there any loans or scholarship available for pilots? I do not think so. And if it has HAPS Aviation, like my ground skill, which I'm talking about, which I'm collaborated with, has some of the other option. They are also connected with Turkish Airlines, and they are starting their webinar or some of the giveaways as well. So you can try it on them. So they might help you. I have specs and so am a medical. Guys, this is a myth that a pilot cannot, a person cannot become a pilot if they have specs. You guys can become a pilot with or without specs. It should be that your eyes are 6/6. Should I complete all my exam and then? Yes, complete all your exams and then go for flying. This is also a topic to discuss, which we'll discuss in India versus abroad flying. How do I start my journey with 12th? I'm very confused. Get your medicals done after class 2, class 1 grounds. Get your all the DG papers done, RT done, and then you can go for your flying. Do I need to give any CET exams? No, there are no CET exams, there are only DGC papers. Prasiddhi asked me one more question. Like you have completed your aviation school right now and you are eligible to apply for first officers jobs in airlines. Yes, I am. But right now I can't because I have not Indian CPL. That's why I am still doing my paperwork for Indian CPL. Prasiddhi 11 asked me, what if we join an aviation school or college? What about the DGC exams then? There are aviation school and college, I didn't get it. I don't think so they have aviation school, so I do not know what is aviation school and college. If they are talking about flying school, bro, you have to get your DGC paper anyway done. Bhumika 111337 asked me, when are you planning for typewriting? Still I do not wish to disclose this because I'm still doing something and there's nazar of things which I have in my life. So I'm still working on it, and once I do it, I'll let you know, guys. मयूर, कितना पैसा कमा लेती हो? Meet me, Mayur. I'll tell you how much I earn, okay? And with a emoji as well. Shehel Girshin, I do not know what her. Shegal Shirin, is physics required for becoming a pilot in abroad? No, physics is not required to become a pilot in abroad, but in India for computer number or anything you need physics. So yeah. Gangotri Dhar, how did you manage to? I think I'll upload the sponsor who has sponsored me the money, guys. You do not know. There's this one guy, really good by heart, really good looking, very handsome, very hot, very sexy guy, has given me money to do my flying, and I'll just post a picture here. Yeah, my dad. My dad is my sponsor, and I love you, Dad, but he is the one who has sponsored my all the training, and I have taken loan as well. So yeah. Mrali.09, for doing CPL, exactly how many money you need? What are the qualification and physical fitnesses? Physical fitness is really required, and qualification 12th 10 plus 2 with PCM engineering A grade, and means you need physics, chemistry and maths, and money once yaar मान के चलो बहन. Gangotri Dhar, how long have you been waiting for open position? Is it true that everyone gets a job? Eventually, more or less, sooner or later, everyone will get a job, and I'm not waiting for any positions right now because I don't have an Indian CPL. हाँ, मैं एक stretch में कितना सब बोल देती हूँ. Indian CPL, I don't have. Sangeeta Joshi 4892 asked me, please share the cost it takes in US and also about loan and stuff, please. It took me around 80 lakhs, and I have taken loan, but my father took it, so I do not know how the process and everything works. Thank you. Can you please tell me the cost of whole process, like from medicals to getting 1 crore? मान के चलो 1 crore. Guys, I think that's it for the questions, and because I didn't post that story way too early, it was just 5 hours and I got this many questions. But I would like to answer some more questions. Specs I did already, height I did already, and there are some of the questions like there was this question, what to do after 11th 12th. 12वीं पढ़ लो यार, 12वीं के बाद देखी जाएगी क्या करना है और क्या नहीं करना है. And there was more question about MBA and stuff. So guys, if you're doing your degree, complete it and then you can start it. There's no degree ka thing ki you need to have any degree to become a pilot. I think that's it for the vlog. I hope you all liked it. Do like, share and subscribe, and press that bell icon to never miss any updates from my vlogs, because I am gonna post it really hard this time. Like, I'm gonna post every week at least 2 videos. I'm gonna try my level best, and this is my New Year resolution that I have to make 100k family on YouTube as well as on Instagram. So guys, थोड़ा पैसा हम भी कमा ले, because job तो लगनी नहीं, because तेजी से काम हो नहीं रहा है. And that's it for the video, and I hope you all liked it. थोड़ा fun way में था because मैं बहुत टाइम से नहीं आई थी ना. माफी दे दो guys, माफी मांग रही हूँ मैं आप लोगों से. And I have already made one diary जिसमें मैंने सारे story times लिख रखे हैं. There are like 10 story times which are really good. You're gonna laugh it out aloud. And मैं अपनी बहनों के साथ करने वाली हूँ. I believe if my sister wants to join, I would love to share my video frame with 2 of my great sisters. And if you guys want to see more content with my sisters, like who knows me better and all shit, guys, do let me know. मेरी एक बहन का 10 चल रहा है, उसके बाद I can make all those shitty videos. But that's it for the videos, and do like, share and subscribe. Alright, peace out guys, bye bye, and have safe takeoffs and landings. Okay, bye bye guys.